English for kids. Talking about someone. My mother. Read, listen, and enjoy it. My mother. My mother is a housewife. My mother is always busy. She must get up early, and prepare breakfast for us. She bathes my little sister. She helps me to dress up. After I, my sister, and my brother go to school, she cooks for us. After it she cleans up the kitchen. Then she takes a bath. After that, she prepares food for lunch, so when we arrive home after school, the food is ready. After that she has a little nap. In the afternoon, she sweeps the floor and waters the flowers. She also prepares the dinner for us. My mom is very busy, but she never complains. She is the best mom in the world. I love my mom. Don't forget. Like, and subscribe.